Hello, welcome to my dining room table. In an attempt to find a good spot to film videos like this, I am starting with my dining room table, so I hope the audio's okay. I've got a new mic. I might have to fix that. I don't know. Might be too echoey. Don't know. Hope the light's okay. We'll see. I might not even upload this. We'll see. But today we're going to open up some Transformers. I've got a couple of the newer ones that I thought were interesting that I picked up, and a retro one. I love the retro ones. So this is a retro one here that I bought a couple years ago. I think this is Hot Rod. I'm not sure. I don't collect them. I have a couple of the really OG Generation 1 Transformers in the basement somewhere, but I couldn't find them, unfortunately. But this is basically my collection. This dude's really cool. Look at that. The colors, just the whole aesthetic. I really dig that. And then there's here this is one of the newer ones with these weird gaps. I don't know if this is just a flaw with mine or if this is how they all are, but that kind of annoys me. But overall, cool looking. This has rubber tires. Look at that. It's very cool. And this one just has plastic, but still cool. I prefer this. We're going to open up a few today, and we're going to see what they're like, especially these two. And we're going to compare maybe to this one. I don't know. Let's start with Rat Trap. Yes, he is a robot that transforms into a rat. I don't know who would want this. I don't know why they would want this. But I guess this is from, well, I know this is from the Kingdom War for Cybertron, but this is a series that is just figures. There's no cartoon associated with it. It's just figures. Some of them are based on old Beast Wars. I don't know. I don't know much about Transformers. I looked into it a little bit. It seemed very complicated, and I'm old. And I just want to open these up. Let's get Rat Trap opened. And let's see. Sorry, I had to get scissors. Let's see. Let's see what he's like. Let's see if he actually is a cool rat. Now, see that? He looks cool in robot form. This rat, that's questionable. Also, 18 steps. That's also very questionable. There we go. Nothing special. He's wired in here for some reason. I think I paid like $4 for this, so it's not like... I mean, who was going to just take this out of the package and steal it? Wow, look at that. The articulation is pretty cool, actually. At least in his legs. Can he stand? Yeah, he can stand. Let's get this stuff out of the way. There he is, old Rat Trap. Get a good look at him. I'll focus on him and all. Let's see. Kinda. Not really. There he is. In all his glory. He's got a tail. Look at that. Look at that articulation. I mean, that's pretty cool. I mean, he's a cool looking robot. He's also got a gun. What happened to his gun? Or whatever it was. I must have thrown it on the floor. There. Doesn't want to come out. This, Oh, I see. There we go. And I can't get it to stay. There we go. I got it. I figured it out. There we go. There's old rat trap. All right. What is this? Let's see. How do we put him together? Ooh. Oh boy. This looks like fun. I guess step one. What? Oh, Lord. Folks, this is going to be... This is going to be complicated. Guess I moved him down. Did I move him down? All right. Let me tell you what. We'll be back after I figure this out, and we'll see what it looks like as a rat. And folks, there he is. Rat trap. That was not fun. That was not fun. There were lots of steps. Didn't make a lot of sense. I kind of just figured out for the most part. I think the most problematic part of Rat Trap here is the fists coming out of his backside. It's orange fists. But there he is. There he is in all his glory. Yes, Rat Trap. Trap all the rats. Is that it? Is that his job? Does he trap the rats? Because I can see that being an advantageous robot to have. I mean, it's cool looking. It's all right, except for the orange fist bum thing and the fact that it's so friggin' difficult to figure out how to put the thing together. I mean, why? I don't even think I have it completely together right. It's not. I guarantee you it's not put together completely right. But that's as good as I'm going to get it. As good as I want to get it, to be quite honest. It's a rat. What do you want from me? It's a rat. Alright, next we have... Let's go over there. Next we have Paleotrex. This is 8 and up, by the way. Yeah, an 8-year-old's putting that rat together. No, I don't think so. I challenge that. This is Paleotrex. Now, this one is very... Now, this robot form looks kind of dumb. But look, he turns into a T-Rex fossil skeleton. I don't know why a robot would be a fossilized version of an animal and not just the animal itself. It's very confusing to me. Also, by the way, 32 steps. I mean, this is going to kill me. Not literally. It's just going to kill my day. Ooh, look at the presentation there. Look how nice that is. Oh, great. Look at all the little twisty tie. What is this? Ooh. I got a shiny card. Predacon. Dinobot. Don't know what that is. You go over there. Really? Look at that goofball. Look at that. Why would you ever want that in robot form? Let's figure out. Yep. Okay. Is that all of them? There. Look at all that. Look at this. Look at all this. All right, here. Oh my gosh. Look at this guy. He's... What? These feet? Do you see this? This... Do they turn? I guess that's his feet. Oh, look at that. Why? What is this? What is it? Why is it like this? This is awful. Run in terror, kids. This is a nightmare. Look at this thing. Oh, I have it too close to the camera. Look at this. Let's fix that. All right. That's not scary at all. And he also, well, I'll see you tonight in your nightmares. All right. What do we have to do to put this jerk together? Make him into the T-Rex fossil, the T-Rex skeleton, which is what everybody wants. There. Okay. Oh my goodness. Well, gonna have to do another jump cut. And there we go. There is, what is that? Paleotrex. Paleotrex as a T-Rex. Yeah, that works better. Look at that. It's not bad. We can bend him back some more. It's not bad at all. I mean, the robot version, that was bad. This is not bad. I like this. This is, it's pretty cool looking. I mean, the skeleton really kind of makes it, doesn't it? The skull, I mean. I believe you can open it too. Look at that. Look at that. Well, that was a pain in the butt. Lots of parts had to be taken off and then put in different places. Like, I mean, a transformer to me, I grew up with, you know, you shift this part and you shift that part. It didn't come apart. You didn't take it apart and then put it back together again. But apparently this particular one, a fossilizer is what it's called. You can take the pieces off and put them on a different transformer to make them a super transformer. I don't know. I really don't know. But I do know it's pretty cool. And complicated, but I can see why they still sell them. If you go into Walmart right now, you're gonna find you're probably gonna find some He-Man, those retro He-Man figures. You're gonna find some Transformers in there, and maybe a smattering of a few other things. Because Walmart right now, it's toy department. It's just terrible. Can I bend this down? Oh, it goes up. Can I turn it? Oh, see, that would help. There we go. Yeah, that's not bad. I like that. I like that. Now we have one more. I also don't know what this is. Dinobot Predacon. But it came with it. So we have one more. Let's see, where's Rat Trap? Here's Rat Trap. You guys hang out over here. Talk amongst yourselves while I get out Headmaster. Now, the thing about this, I think I had it when I was a kid. I'm not certain. Maybe this didn't even exist then, but I think I had this. Look at this. 1, 2, 3, 4. Done. I mean, that's a lot different from 32. Is that 32 different? Oh, we gotta admire the back. Look at this. The packaging for these other two, I didn't like them. I mean, it's really busy. Didn't show a lot. This you could argue is busy, but look at it. Look at all the different. These are all available as well. I've seen that alligator. So you've got this awesome, beautiful painting. It is a world of constant change, where things are not what they seem. It is the world of the Transformers, a world of heroic Autobots and evil Decepticons. And you get this nifty, you cut this out and save it. I think it shows power levels, and that's what this is what it looked like when I was a kid to go into a store and get a Transformer. This is basically very similar to the packaging, the card on the back. I mean, everything about it, just like when I was a kid. Let's see if there's a million little rubber things I have to. Alright, there we go. The little driver dude, who I think is also his head. I vaguely remember this. Maybe I'm crazy. Maybe I don't remember it at all. But look at how cool this thing looks. Okay. I can tell you, I don't think I had this one when I was a kid. I think this is maybe new. Not sure. Is this cockpit open? It has to be. Yeah. Oh yeah. So you've got a little spot to sit in down here. There you go. Now he's gonna. So much cooler. Get this out of the way. Sorry, but I don't think there's much of a comparison. Anyway, let's see what I have to do with this one. Am I going to have to make a jump cut to figure this out? This is not. Is it 4 steps? Okay, step 1. Okay, maybe I was supposed to do that. Step 2. Get this dude out. I have no idea what I'm doing right now. I want to transform into the... Okay. Okay, let's transform into the robot Hardhead. Flip it over. Goes down. Let's go out. This one goes down. Okay. What? These instructions don't make any sense. This has turned into an old man gets frustrated while trying to put a kid's toy together. Not what I expected this to be at all. Oh. Well, wait just a darn second now. Wait just a darn second. I might have figured this out. Or maybe not. Isn't this supposed to go in here? Oh, there we go. Would you look at that? Well, that was a lot less daunting than... A lot less daunting than the other two. He's pretty cool like this. I like him better as the tank. But he's pretty cool like this. This gun. Pretty cool. Well, that was something else, wasn't it? I have to say, I don't really like the new ones. I don't like the new ones at all. Like these, that's just so cool looking. Even as a robot, he doesn't do as much. I don't think he's as articulated. Whatever. He's so much cooler looking than even the T-Rex. Even the T-Rex cannot, I don't think, compare to this. I mean, and the rat. I mean, just, there you go. Well, I would say that was fun. I like this one. And that's about it. Hopefully, the next time I do an opening up video, it will be toys that I'm more excited about, I think. And not ones I got on clearance. Because I thought they kind of looked interesting. Because, I mean, what am I going to do with fist butt over here? Anyway. Thank you for watching. I hope it looked okay and sounded okay. And hope I didn't babble too much. I'm still new to all this, so I'll get better. I'll get better as it goes. Stick around. We'll have some more fun stuff coming up. Some more unboxings. I have some more toys I want to get to and open up. So have a good day. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you again soon.